And welcome to MineHarbor's demo of the bulk update tool for desktop. This tool is intended to be used to preload changes for P21 future updates. In this demo, I'll show you how the tool works. First, the user will open the application. Then they'll select the Schedule button. This will open a dialog for them to select the date that they want the updates to be pushed to P21. After they do that, they can hit the Import button, select the file that they want to use for import. This will then load the import file and compare it to what the values it sees in P21 are. If it notices that something does not match on the rows that are being submitted, it will mark them as red. These items will not be pushed to P21 for update. The ones that do have the check mark in them will allow them to update the records in P21. Any of the columns that are marked for update can be edited on this screen. The user can also compare the values to what are currently in P21 and then what the new values are going to be. The user can also use this screen like Excel. So they can do their sorting, they can do their filtering, they can reorder the columns and rows. Any of the sorting, filtering, or anything that's done on the screen will not affect the import. The user can then also select the Columns to Update button. This will pull up a list of columns that are available for update. They would select the items, hit OK. If they're satisfied with what's presented to them on the screen, they can hit Update. What this will do, this will send all the update records to a queuing table for pickup later on the schedule date. They hit OK here. They also can then hit View Scheduled. This will pull up a list of all the scheduled items. Then they can also hit Edit Batch. This will pull up a menu that will allow them to see all the current batches that are pending, make changes to those for if they want to change the schedule date, they want to remove rows, add rows, or if they just want to remove an entire batch. So we'll go ahead and remove an entire batch. And now that batch has been removed from queue. They can also update the schedule for the entire batch, or they can just remove one row or multiple rows for a selected batch. This concludes the demo for this utility.